Good morning, welcome dito sa topic nating special right triangle. I-discuss ko yung technique in finding the length of the unknown sides of special right triangles. Okay, so unahin natin yung 30, 60, 90 triangle. Halimbawa, this is the right angle and this is the 30-degree angle and this is the 60-degree angle. Suppose meron tayong side na 5 sa kaharap ng 30 degrees, then 5 will be the shortest side. So para mahanap natin yung hypotenuse or longest side, ang gagawin lang natin is i-multiply natin yung 5, which is the shortest side, by 2. So it will give you 10. So therefore, yung length ng C will be 10. Paano naman makuha yung length opposite 60 degrees? You just copy the shortest side, this is the shortest side, and just multiply 5 by square root of 3. Okay, so let's try another example. Suppose, again, this is the right angle, and this is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. Suppose the shortest side opposite 30 degrees is 8. Then to get the hypotenuse, you just multiply 8 by 2. So 8 times 2 will give us 16. So this is the longest side. To get the side opposite 60 degrees, just copy 8, which is the shortest side, and then multiply it by square root of 3. Okay, so next example. This is the right angle. This is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. Suppose the side opposite 30 degrees is 3 over 5 or 3 fifths. To get the longest side, just multiply 3 fifths by 2 to give us 6 over 5. So therefore, this is the measurement of the longest side. To find the measurement of the side opposite 60 degrees, just copy 3 over 5 and then multiply it by square root of 3. This can be equal to 3 square root of 3 divided by 5. How about if we are given the longest side, or the side opposite the 90 degrees, which is the hypotenuse? So how we get the other, or the remaining two sides? So suppose this is 30 degrees and this is 60 degrees, and the longest side is, say, 12. So what we're going to do is to get first the shortest side. Shortest side is opposite 30 degrees. So what we're going to do is just to divide 12 by 2. It will give us 6. So this will be 6. And then copy the shortest side and then multiply it by square root of 3 to get the side opposite 60 degrees. Okay, another example. This is 90 degrees, this is 30 degrees, and this is 60 degrees. So the hypotenuse is, say, 24. So divide 24 by 2 to give us 12. Therefore, the side opposite 30 degrees is 12. To get the side opposite 60 degrees, copy 12, then multiply it by square root of 3. Again, we have 30, 60, 90 triangle, and the opposite side is, say, 15. So what we are going to do is to divide 15 by 2, and 15 divided by 2 is just the same as 15 over 2. So that would be the side opposite 30 degrees. So this is 15 over 2. Now just copy 15 over 2 and then just multiply by square root of 3. That will be the side or the measurement of the side opposite 60 degrees. This can be equivalent to 15 square root of 3 all over 2. Now if you wish to change this to decimal, you can also change 15 over 2 to decimal, which is equivalent to 7.5. Here, just copy 7.5 and then multiply it by square root of 3. Suppose in the 30, 60, 90 degree triangle, the given is the side opposite 60 degrees. How are we going to find the length of the remaining two sides? So this is 90 and this is 30 degrees, assuming this is 15. So what we're going to do is just to divide 15 by 3. We're going to have 5. Then just copy 5 and multiply it by square root of 3. 4. The shortest side measures 5 square root of 3. To find the longest side, or the hypotenuse, just copy 5 square root of 3 and multiply it by 2. So 2 times 5 will give us 10, and then copy square root of 3. So therefore, the longest side measures 10 square root of 3. Okay, another example. So this is 60 degrees, and this is 30 degrees, and of course 90 degrees. Assuming this is 24, so just divide 24 by 3, same process, to give you 8. Then copy 8 and multiply it by square root of 3. 8 square root of 3 is the measurement of the shortest side. So 8 square root of 3. To find the measurement of the longest side, copy 8 square root of 3 and then multiply it by 2. So 2 times 8 is 16, and then copy square root of 3. So you're given 16 times the square root of 3. Another example, this is 90 degrees and this is 60 degrees, 30 degrees. Now, how about if 60 is, say, 20, okay, or the side opposite 60 is 20. Same process, just divide 20 by 3, which is equal to 20 divided by 3, or 20 over 3, or 20 thirds. Just copy 20 thirds and multiply it by square root of 3, or you can say 20 square root of 3 divided by 3. That is now the measurement of the side opposite 30 degrees. So 20 square root of 3 divided by 3. And then to find the length of the hypotenuse, just copy 20 square root of 3 divided by 3 and multiply it by 2. Now 20 times 2 is 40 divided by 3, and then copy square root of 3. So therefore, the longest side is 40 square root of 3 all over 3. Okay, so paano naman yung technique sa pag-solve ng 45, 45, 90 triangle? We all know that 45, 45, 90 triangle is also known as isosceles right triangle. So kung isosceles right triangle siya, then this is a right triangle and the two sides are equal. And this is the hypotenuse. So assuming this is 6, therefore the other leg measures 6 units also. To get the hypotenuse, just copy the measurement of the leg, which is 6, and always multiply it by square root of 2. That's it. Okay, so this is 45, 45, 90 triangle. Assuming this is 18, so these two sides are equal, so this is also 18. And just copy 18 and multiply by square root of 2 as the measurement of the longest side or the hypotenuse. So this is 45, 45, 90 triangle. So assuming this is a 3 over 5 or 3/5. So therefore, since they are equal, this is also 3/5, and then just copy 3/5 and multiply by square root of 2. Or you can say this is 3 square root of 2 all over 5. So that's the measurement of the longest side or the hypotenuse. You are given, say, 9 square root of 3. So therefore, this is also 9 square root of 3, given this is 45, 45, 90 triangle. So to get this, to get the hypotenuse, just multiply 9 square root of 3 by square root of 2. So you're just going to multiply the radical expressions. So this is 9 times the square root of 3 times 2 is 6. So this is now the measurement of the longest side or the hypotenuse. Okay? You are given hypotenuse, or the given length is the hypotenuse. Once again, this is 45, 45, 90, and assuming this is 24. So to get the legs, just copy 24 for the measurement of the hypotenuse and always divide it by 2. So it will give you 12. And 12, just multiply it by square root of 2. So this is now the measurement of the shortest leg or the two legs. So 12 square root of 2. This is also 12 square root of 2. Okay, another example, 45, 45, 90. So suppose this is 30, just divide 30 by 2, so we have 15. Then copy 15 and then multiply it by square root of 2. So therefore, the measurement of the leg is 15 square root of 2. This leg is also 15 square root of 2. Okay, so last example, 45, 45, 90, and assuming this is 25. Okay, so the measurement of the hypotenuse is 25. Just divide 25 by 2. So this is just equal to 25 over 2. Just copy 25 over 2 and multiply by square root of 2. So this is now the measurement of the leg. So 25 times square root of 2 all over 2. Since these sides are equal, so this is also 25 square root of 2 divided by 2.